Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of third secondary, today we are going to solve questions of Nagwa platform. We will start with chapter 5 organic chemistry. We have today our questions. We will start with first 15 questions, and in the other videos we will complete all the questions. Okay, let's start with our questions today. Question 1 says that which type of formula is used to represent the molecule in this diagram? We have carbons connected to another one with what? With a single covalent bond and surrounded by three hydrogen atoms from each one. Okay, we have this formula will be represented condensed, empirical, structural, molecular, and displayed. Okay, if we illustrated all the atoms that we have in the molecule, we have here displayed that we have the shape of all the connection between the atoms inside the molecule we have. So this is the right answer here, displayed formula. Okay, let's going to question number 2. Question number 2 says that nonene C9H20 is a hydrocarbon found in JB8. Okay, is a type of jet fuel that we used in the space spaceships. And why is nonene is a hydrocarbon? We want to know the reason for this one. Okay, we have here the the first question here. It contains hydrogen and carbon in the correct ratio. Okay, yes, I think it's one of the our question. The second one here, if we want to discuss the word hydrocarbon, we have here the word hydrocarbon. What do you mean by the word hydrocarbon? It contains only what? Carbon and hydrogen without any discussing for the other. It's a crude oil or contains hydrogen and carbon without the word only. It's not a right answer here. It's not the right answer. It's used as a fuel. No, it's not concerning the word hydrocarbon. If we discuss the meaning of the word hydrocarbon, neglecting the name of the compound that we have, if we have a compound that formula C4H12C9H20, any compound, whatever it's the compound we have here, it consists only of what? Carbon and hydrogen, so we called it hydrocarbon. If we have compound that containing other kind of atoms, we will adding, or we called it derivatives of hydrocarbon, called it derivatives of hydrocarbons. So it contains only, the right answer here, the right answer here, letter D, it contains only hydrogen and carbon. Okay, let's going to question number 3. Okay, we have here the alkanes only, and we want to complete the order of alkanes. We said that we must reserve the order of the Latin number meth, eth, pro, bute, bent, hex, oct, hept, okay, till the last number that we taken. Okay, we will start with adding the suffix "in" to the end of the compound that, or the name of the carbon that we have, of hydrocarbons that we have. We will start with meth, in. We add the word or the letters ane at the end of the compound. Okay, we have methane, and the second one ethane. Okay, the third one will be propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. Okay, till the end of this one. So the right answer here will be, the right answer will be methane, letter C, methane and we will complete ethane, and here we put propane, butane, pentane, and the last one here hexane, and the seventh one will be heptane. This is according to the alkanes ordering. Okay, let's go into question 4. Question 4 says that this diagram shows a common hydrocarbon. Okay, so what we wanted to know, we wanted to get the molecular formula of this hydrocarbon. Okay, what we meant by molecular formula, this means that collecting all the kind and number of atoms. Okay, kind means that carbon or hydrogen, number means the total number for the carbon and the total number of hydrogen. We called this is the molecular formula, neglecting the type of bond connecting between them. Okay, so this is a displayed formula. This is the displayed formula for the hydrocarbon compound here. But if we get or we wanted to get the molecular formula, we will collecting the number of carbon. So we have here 4 carbons, and the number of hydrogen atoms here we have 3H, 2, 5, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, so the right answer for this question will be letter D, carbon 4 and hydrogen will be 10 atoms for this compound. So we want to get the molecular formula. It is a number and kind of bond only without the type of bond that connecting the atoms together. We collect all the number in the molecular formula. Okay, it's an easy question. Let's go into question number 5. Question number 5 says that fill in the blank the number of hydrogen atoms in an alkane containing 3 carbon atoms is. Okay, we want to get according to the general formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. If we have 3 carbon in the C, remove n and put 3, so Cn or C3 H2 times 3 6 plus 2, and we will get at the end what? We will get at the end 8 hydrogen atoms, so the right answer will be letter E. Okay, we must write in your paper to calculate it. Write the formula CnH2n plus 2, and please try to calculate all the numbers with your calculator not in mind in the exam, because you are not concentrated enough to adding or making multiplying for any numbers. You have 50 question and you must be concentrate to save your time for yourself only. Okay, let's go into question number 6. Question number 6 says that we have what is the general formula. The general formula means that we must to look at the figure here according to the kind of bond. If we have the kind of bond, the first one, only single covalent bond in the compound, we have alkene compound. If we have double bond connecting the carbon atoms, one sigma and the other bi, we will have alkenes. The third one here, without calculating the number or looking for any other thing, if we have 3 bonds connecting between the carbon atoms, one sigma and 2 pi atoms, so we have here what we have, the alkynes. So it's the general formula of alkynes here. The right answer will be letter D, and its general formula CnH2n minus 2. It's the general formula to displayed formula of this compound, as we have here 3 bonds connecting the 2 carbon atoms. Okay, let's go into question number 7. Question number 7 says that what is the structural formula of propane? Propane here we have, we want the structural formula. Structural formula means that we write the molecule with the number of atoms. Okay, and write in simplify how the bond connected or the bond displayed in the structural formula of this compound. Okay, this is the displayed formula. We want the structural formula means that how each carbon with surrounded by the number of hydrogen atoms. So we have C surrounded by 3. Here propane means that we have what? We have meth eth prop. We have 3 carbon atoms. So the first one here will be wrong. The second one will be wrong. The third one may be right. It's 3 carbon atom. Here we have 3 and also at the end we have 3. Okay. We want the structural formula means that the this is the displayed one. This is that molecular formula, but the structure means that the each carbon connected to what the number of atom we have CH3, CH2, CH3 at the end. So the right answer here will be letter E will be the right answer for our question. It is the structural formula of propane. Okay, let's go into question 8. Question 8 says that what is the general formula for the group of compounds to which the following structural formula is related? Okay, if we said that we have here the carbon connected to the other one with 3 bond, 2 pi and 1 sigma, so it's general formula for alkynes, and it's the right answer here will be letter E, and the general formula will be CnH2n minus 2. I think it's another one for the easy questions here in Nagwa platform. Okay, let's go into question 9. Question 9 says that which of the following diagrams show a molecule of ethane? Okay, meth it means that we have 2 carbon atoms without looking for the first one, A, B, C, it's neglected, and also D, so the right answer here will be letter E. We have 2 carbon atom, ethane, it will be carbon 2 carbon atoms connected each one with 3 hydrogen atoms. So it's the diagram for molecule of ethane CH3 CH3. Okay, let's going to question number 10. Question number 10 says that which type of bond joins the atoms in hydrocarbon molecules together? Okay, we said before many times that we have all the hydrocarbon, yes, connected together with what? With covalent bonds only. Covalent bond, all the hydrocarbon molecules connected with what? With covalent bond only. Okay, let's go into question 11. Question 11 says that which of the following hydrocarbons has the molecular formula C3H8? Okay, we have here C3 means that it's what? It's mis is prop, it's propane. And we have the general formula CnH2n. What? H2n plus 2. So if we have C3 and the general formula will be N H2n plus 2, so we have 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 8, so it is the general formula, not propene. Here we have or propine. Here the right answer here will be the general formula of what? Of propane. And the right answer here, after calculating it, we must calculating with according to the general formula, and we mentioned the number C3H8 belongs to propane, general formula of alkane. Okay, let's going to question number 12. Question number 12 says that which of the following compounds have the general chemical formula CnH2n? Okay, we said that we have alkane and general formula CnH2n plus 2. And the second one, alkene, we remove the 2 at the end of it, so its chemical formula CnH2n only, and this is the belongs to alkene here. So we will choose from here any compounds that what that belongs to alkene. Okay, right answer here will be the right answer here will be belongs to any compound that belongs to alkene. And also another one that related to alkenes, but it is a cyclo compound, and its general formula will be Cn also H2n, not only alkene. We have also cycloalkene. We have general formula CnH2n. So the right answer here will be letter B, cyclobentene here, and bentene, cyclobentene and bentene. The right answer will be letter B. Okay, let's go into question 13. Question 13 says that what is the molecular formula of butane? Okay, if we discuss the molecular formula, so we have the collecting number. Letter A will be wrong, letter C will be wrong. So, and letter E also will be wrong. We have here letter B and letter D. Okay, if we numbering the carbon atoms, mis is propute, so we want or we get what? 4 carbon atoms, so the right answer here will be letter D, C4H10. The right answer will be number 13, letter D, C4H10. Let's going to question number 14. Okay, which of the following is incorrect about bentane? Bentane, what is the wrong one here? Okay, if we discuss all the points that we mentioned for the alkane, for general, we have we calling it alkane, and the general formula CnH2n plus 2, and it's consisting of carbon and hydrogen and connected together with single covalent bonds. If we have the bentane, so it's according to the general formula CnH2n plus 2, we have C5H12. All of these are correct knowledge. And other one, we have another name for alkane. We called it what? We called it paraffins. We called it paraffins. This is the other name. And the name for the alkenes, we have olefins, and the names of alkynes, we called it what? Acetylenes. So the wrong one here we have in our choices. You must know the other name for the alkanes. Alkane, the other name will be paraffins, and this is the wrong one. So the right answer for this question, this is, it belongs to olefins. No, they belongs, all alkanes belong to the group we called it paraffins, not olefins. All olefins means that we means benzene or any alkene that we call this group olefins. Okay, let's go into question 14. Question 15, the last one of our groups of question today. Question 15 says that which of the following is incorrect about alkenes? Also, we have another question that concerning alkene, as we said in the previous question. All of these connected, all the carbon connected with here by two bonds between the two carbon atoms joined together with a covalent bond, and one sigma and the other is pi. And general formula of them CnH2n, the wrong one here will be the kind acetylenes. Acetylenes means that alkynes, not alkenes. So the right answer for this question is acetylenes, and this is no correct answer for this one. It's not acetylenes, it's olefin. Means that alkenes, the other name is olefins, not acetylenes. It's one of the knowledge that we must know, and it's present in the scientific concepts in our chapters. Okay, this is the last question of our today. Okay, Thank you for joining us. I hope you see all the videos that we have in solving all Nagwa platform question. Thank you. Good luck and waiting for the other question.